MarineMax Pompano Beach, showing you a fresh trade 2020 Aviara 32. Boat's got 275 hours. Twin Ilmore one drives. Beautiful, beautiful brown interior. Let's step aboard and I can show you the options she has. I love the cockpit space that you get here on the transom by having the inboards. Great for the kids, the family to hang out. They got these really cool stadium lounge seats so you can sit up, watch the kids off the back coming inside. Generous space on the walkway. Boat's in excellent condition. Customer already traded in for a bigger boat. Cool touch vinyl seats, refrigeration, pull out cooler drawer, large sink, insulated so you can keep your wine or bottles, liquor bottles here. Nice sink, storage drawer, big massive hard top. Boat also has a full enclosure curtain, bow shade and stern shade. Garmin GPS screens, auto trim tabs, joystick piloting of course. Look in front, large seating up front here. Deep V hull, great for South Florida, great in the ocean. Boat rides impeccably. Give me a call, it's Justin Costello. I took this boat on trade, 954-633-2070.